Hello everyone, this is W321. Today, a flash freeze warning was set tonight, and here it is. Crazy snow. It's actually a lot of snow. Oh, I hope you guys can see the snow. Snowing quite a bit more than last time I've seen it. Last time it snowed, I don't really know, 2 weeks ago, maybe. Winter this year is warm, just a little too much snow, but that's pretty much it. February might get worse. I think it's gonna be minus 20 tomorrow if you watched it on December 27th. Also, yeah, that's all. There's also a lot of wind, so snow. If you were out tonight, you would have a lot of snow blowing off. Too bad these cameras doesn't have a lot of megapixels, but other than that, so all of the thing and all that, that was out tonight. Freezes outside on the front. It's really slippery.